Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LinkedIn document uploads with PDF exports from Canva. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Canva account and log in. Select the design you want to export as a PDF. Ensure your design is complete and meets the desired specifications. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the sharing options, select Download. Choose PDF print for the file type to ensure high-quality output. Click the Download button to save the PDF to your device. Next, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the Featured section of your profile. Click on the plus icon to add new content to the Featured section. Select Media from the options that appear. A file upload window will open. Locate and select the PDF file you downloaded from Canva. Once selected, click Open to upload the document. Add a catchy title and description for your PDF upload. Use relevant keywords to make it easily discoverable. After filling in the necessary information, click Save. Review your profile to ensure the document is displayed correctly. Your LinkedIn document upload is now complete. Congratulations! You have successfully set up document uploads on LinkedIn using a PDF from Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.